Hello and welcome. In our previous video, we had learned the basics of data migration and FBDI. In this video, we are going to learn how to import FBDI file into Oracle Fusion Cloud application using user interface. We are going to consider the example of how to import the suppliers using FBDI. In our previous video, we had seen how to download this supplier import template.xlsm file and the navigation in Oracle documentation to get the FBDI templates for procurement, that is for import suppliers. In this video we are going to show you how to import this FBDI file in Oracle application cloud. I have populated a sample data wherein I have given the batch ID. This is a unique identifier. I will explain where this will be used. This is basically used to load the data from interface to table to staging table. So I'm going to create a supplier with the name learn supplier 1. Tax organization type is corporation. So in order to know what is the organization type in your instance, you have to navigate to setup and maintenance and go to manage tax organization type lookup. In that you will get the list of values populated one among. Now here I'm giving the what is the type. It is a supplier. If you want to know what are the valid supplier types in your instance, go to setup and maintenance and go to manage supplier type lookup. You will get the list of values. Now in the business relationship, it is asking for spend authorized and prospective. I'm giving it as spend authorized. Next I'm giving some values like it's a tax country is US and the taxpayer ID, some value I'm populating over here. Rest of the fields I'm keeping as null, but in your case you might be having the values over here as per the business requirement or the business need. In our previous video, we had seen Oracle documentation on templates. Here we will be having the UCM account name in which we have to upload our FDBI file. Okay, this will be useful now when we are going to import the FBDI file in Oracle application. Before doing that, switch over to this template, go to instructions and CSV. After populating all the data, click on the generate CSV file and save the .zip and .csv file in your local system. As you can see, I have generated my .zip and .csv file. .zip file contains the .csv file which our template has generated over here. Okay, if you open this, we will be seeing this .csv file. Now go back and rename this to something like L10001. This renaming this will help us to uniquely identify our file in the UCM from the bunch of files which users will be uploading in the shared instances. Now switch over to Oracle Cloud Applications. Click on the hamburger menu or the navigator. Go to Tools. Click on File Import Export. Now click on this plus button, Upload button. Choose the file. In the account name, we have to give this account name, that is PRC Supplier Import. We have to search over here PRC Supplier Import. It's over here. Click this, save and close. As you can see, our file has been uploaded over here and the content ID we will be getting this. Now click on this navigator button, go to tools, and now this time we have to go for scheduled processes, that is over here. Click on this. Click on this schedule new process. From here we have to select load interface file. You will get load interface file for import. Click on OK. From here we have to go for this import suppliers. Basically we have to run this import supplier ESS job. So while loading the file into interface table, we have to give it over here like import. From the list of processes, select this import suppliers. Click on OK. We have to select our file. This is why I told like we have to in order to uniquely identify our file, I had put this suffix like L001. Select this our file. Click on submit. If you want to get notified, you can check this box and put the submission notes. If somebody wants to know what why this supplier has been imported, you can give the notes over here. And I'm keeping this as default. Click on submit. Click on OK. We got the process ID, which will be helpful in getting the tracking the status. Click on the refresh. This is our process and it is showing it as completed. Click on this completed or the succeeded. On this ASSL, we can click on this and we can check the logs. over here. One row successfully loaded, it is showing like that. We can go on for next one. After loading the data to interface table, next step is populating this data into staging tables. For that, what we have to do is we have to click on the schedule new process. Instead of load interface file to import, we have to this time give import suppliers. uh, uh, if you guys don't know what is the process we have to run, it will be mentioned over here, like after you successfully load the data, you must submit the import suppliers. What does it mean, like after you successfully load your data? It means that after you import this FBDI file, using import the FBDI file to UCM, like what we have done, going to file import and export and running the load interface file for import. After that, we have to run this ESS job, that is import suppliers, now, which is what we are doing it right now. As you can see it over here, the name of the ESS job is import suppliers. We want to import the new. We don't want to reject it. Don't want to import the rejected data. We want the new fresh record which we have just now imported as part of our FBDI import. That is for the batch L10001. So let me copy this batch ID. In the next, it is asking for batch id. We am populating over here. Report exception only, no, I'm setting is no. If we report only s, then only the exception details it will list in the logs. I'm giving the batch id as what we have over here. In our file, we can have n number of suppliers to be imported with the same batch id, so that suppose if we have 15 records with the same batch id, then all 15 suppliers will be created as part of this batch id import process. If you want to get notified, we can check this box and give the submit notes. I'm keeping this as default. Click on submit. You got the process id, that is 6005. Click on this refresh button over here. Import process job got succeeded. Click on this succeeded status. Go to this outputs. Click on the report. Open this report. In this, we will get the details on what and all things got imported. Supplier imported, we are getting it as success. So what supplier has been created? This is a supplier number, and this is a supplier name. So we'll switch back to procurement subject area and check whether this supplier has been created or not. Let's go back to our cloud instance. Click on this navigator. Go to procurement. Under procurement, go for suppliers. On the right side, there is this task button. Click on this. Click on manage suppliers. On the keyword, we have to give the supplier name or the supplier number. For simplicity purpose, I'm giving the supplier name, which we have tried to import just now. Click on the search button. As you can see, our supplier has been imported successfully. If you want to import the supplier site agreements, supplier contact details, supplier addresses, we can go for those FBDI templates. We can populate the data for the particular supplier, and we can do in the same way like how we have imported our suppliers. So as you can see, as of now, these addresses will be empty. Address tab, sites, contacts, qualifications, everything will be empty. In order to populate this, we have to repeat the same step for the respective FBDI templates with the data populated. In our next video, we will learn how to do the same thing using OIC integration. Please join in that video. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, comment and subscribe the channel.